I'm up in Whangarei checking out a free steel boat. What an unusual thing. It's a Donovan design. It's been left to the guy that runs the boatyard told me it's been through 3 or 4 owners, 3 or 4 divorces, and isn't that cool? And so I'm just checking it out. The guy next door has lent me a ladder for a minute, and let's go up and have a look. Oh, a minute. Let's look through. Holy smokes, McPokes. What do you think about that? You know, like, I'm pretty nuts, I know. Pretty game and nuts. But this might be just a bit too much for me, I think. But what a project. Imagine that. We'll have a look through one of those front portholes as well. We can. What a project. I mean, if I had 10 lifetimes, maybe 15, I'd be a astrophysicist in one. A couple other things in another couple of lives, and maybe the 15th or 16th life I would have a bash at this. Apparently a previous owner poured concrete in the bilge. Geez, let's see if I can see. I'll have a look at that later. I'm not game enough to get up there and have a look. Do you know, I think I'll probably pass on this project. But it's very good to get up and look at it. And then have a look around the boatyard here, because I did think to myself, there might be something else that's worth looking at. So I might go do that. I'll return this ladder, and you can come with me if you want. We'll return it. Yeah, it might be a bit more than I can chew, but it's cool. If it gets resurrected, it'd be cool. Yeah, might, yeah.
No,
That where you got that right?
it's all good, mate.
Hey, thank you very much. That was real helpful. Where did I put my sunnies? Should have hoped I didn't put them up on the boat. Oh, yeah, there. Boatyard in Whangarei. That there. A couple other things that sort of tickle my fancy, but that there in particular, that I might ask the boatyard owner if he knows the owner of that, because that is so very, very cool. It's the type of thing I'd love to have. Imagine that. Steel, or is it ferro? Hopefully it's steel. Yeah, it's steel. I can see by the crease down there where the chine meets. Looks to me like one of those Tahitians, but maybe the single, or is it bigger than that? I'm going to ask the boatyard owner about that boat, and to see if, who knows, it's worth asking, isn't it? You never know. Irie from Island? No, Elsa Island, Western Australia, that is, isn't it? Wow. Looks like it's been about unattended for a while. Big old lifeboat thing, look at that. Jeepers creepers. Might just have a quick look around at the rest. My car. I sort of come, if I'm really honest about it, with thinking that steelboat probably wasn't going to be for me. I mean, it was free, so it was worth a look, but mostly I just wanted to have a look around the yard and see if there was anything else that might suit me to do up or something. It's a lovely steelboat, lovely double ender. I love double enders. That's a Dick Newick, isn't it? Those real kick-ass fast trimarines. Got a mate in Mangawai that wants one of those. Ooh, lovely boats here. Amazing how many boats sit in yards. I wonder what the statistics are, how many boats are in yards versus actually getting used. There's people like me come along. I really like that. Isn't that lovely? Behind my car there. I'll ask the guy when I go out. Oh, and the other thing is, just before we go, oh, Carina, isn't that nice? That looks like well, kind of looks like the hull shape of a Cab 30, but it's not. I know. It's got a more tumble home look. Isn't that a lovely boat? Jeepers creepers. That's nice, isn't it? Carina. But somebody's working up by the look of it. Maybe they've got, I don't know what they're up to. What is it made of? Huh. It's fiberglass. Just coming back to this. Yeah, that's what I want to know about. I want to know about that. I'll ask the guy and he'll probably say, oh, God knows what he said. Yeah, okay. Time to get out of here.